What's up, my Toyota Tacoma buddies? modXELA here, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex, and in today's video I'll be bringing to you another simple and easy install as part of my Toyota Tacoma overlanding build. Today's video I will be installing a hood bug and stone deflector. And this one in particular is the low profile version from Weathertech. As usual, I'll be posting the links in the comment section below. So stick around and I'll go over the installation process with you. Voila! So now that it's clean, just like magic, actually it wasn't magic, I used water and soap. Washed it, cleaned it, dried it with a nice dry cloth, and now we're ready to prep. So as part of the installation process, we will need to do a dry fit of the actual aero skin or the bug deflector on top of the hood. And we will also be needing tape to mark where this sits, so we can we'll know where to apply the surface prep solution that was provided. And we will also be needing more alcohol swabs or wipes to clean up the surface further. So now that I've marked everything and now I know where to apply this surface prep solution, go ahead and just flip it over. Take this out. And basically apply it all over the area where the aerosol skin is going to sit. Just let it dry, and we're ready to affix the piece. I just want to mention that this has a really strong smell to it. I should have worn maybe gloves or something, but it smells like paint thinner or something, but you know, just a heads up on that. So while I'm waiting it to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the tape. We do not need this anymore. So the next step now is to expose about 2 inches from the edges of these tape liners. Just bring that in closer to you. Right, so we need to peel these ends and expose about 2 inches all around, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Just want to give this another clean, another wipe. There we go. So now I'm happy with where it's lined up. You'll just press on it firmly. And starting from the top, start peeling it outwards. Do the same thing at the ends. And the bottom. So give it some pressure. Make sure that tape is on nice and firm. There we go. So last step is just to peel off this film. There you have it. So now that the installation is complete, let's have a look at how our little project turned out. Wow, I don't know about you, but I think this looks really, really good. It gives it a nice sharp look. I think the deflector goes with the truck very well, especially with the black and white contrast. And you know what, I'm very happy that I went with the low profile version. I've always owned those raised versions, but I'm glad that I opted with this option. Let me know what you think. If you like this or the raised version, please put your comments or questions in the comment section below, and let's chat about it. So there you have it, another install completed for the truck. And as you know, I've been building this truck in preparation for some off-roading this year. And I hope you subscribe and turn that notification bell on to follow me with this build. I'm planning on doing the bumper installs, the rock sliders, the bed rack installs. So those will be coming down the line, but I hope you follow me through the whole process, and until the next video. But for now, if you can be anything, be kind.